Hello, grade 7, 8. Today we're going to have a look at mean, median, and mode. So your lesson has a document that looks like this at the start. We need to fill out some definitions and some examples. So we're going to look at, we just handed out progress reports at the end of last week, and some of you will be getting them over the next day or two. They don't have marks on them, but you've got marks on Schoology that you can calculate your average like this. So Jimmy Hopkins is going to calculate his average using mean, median, and mode. And we're going to look at these as examples. So we've got a sheet that has the answers here. So you need to copy these down. So you might want to pause the video a few times here and make sure you get your definitions and examples so that you've got this straight. Okay. So here are Jimmy Hopkins' marks for term 1. Determine his mean, median, and mode marks for all of his subjects. So first, some definitions. Mean is the sum of a set of numbers divided by the number of numbers in the set. So if I skip down, and I'm going to highlight that for mean. If I skip down here in the solution, so the mean for this set of data would be adding up these 7 numbers, 72 plus 65 plus 62 plus 84 plus 90 plus 72 plus 75. And then you got to hit the equals button and then divide that total sum by the number of numbers we have, which was 7. And that's going to give us a mean of 74%. Okay, the median is the middle value in a set of ordered data. And when there is an even number of numbers, the median is the mean of the 2 middle numbers. So this set of data is a little bit simpler because it does have an odd number of numbers. So there's going to be one median. So it's the middle number. When I put the data in order from least to greatest, the median is the middle number, and that's 72. The mode is the number that occurs most often in a set of data. There can be more than one mode, or there might be no mode. If every number appears the same number of times, there's no mode. But in this case, the mark that appears most often is 72. It appears twice, and no other number. All the other numbers only appear once. Okay. So in your class today, you're going to have a little discussion about which measure of central tendency do you think is the best one. There's really no correct answer on this. Just it's a matter of how you justify your answer. These are all measures of central tendency. So if I go back up here, practice questions today, grade 7. Make sure you connect back with your Google Meet with Mr. Roofer and myself, both grade 7 and grade 8. And then grade 7, you're going to complete questions 4A and E, 5A and E, 6A and E, 9, 10, and 12. Grade 8, you're going to do questions 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10 on page 110. Again, make sure you connect to your Meet to get help, and we'll talk to you later.